Anyway, so let's get started. All right. We are now planning to do the live stream on London sessions. This is the gold chart. So let me level up it at first. If you see here, so what you can see is from the daily perspective. So let's get started. All right. Sorry, are now planning to do the live. Okay, so from the daily perspective, what you can see is the previous daily candle was bullish, and this candle is trying to create some sorts of a low or something. All right, so we could not find any informations from the daily perspective. So as you know that it's CPI today as well at evening time, so we should have to be the consider all those things as well. At NYC we have CPI. So let's move to the lower time frame, that is 4 hour. So looking at on a 4 hour time frame, we could easily see that this candle is looks like a volatile candle having a long wick to the top. So let's go to the further down time frame, that is a 1 hour time frame. Looking at 1 hour time frame gives a logical sense. And if we move to the further lower time frame, that is a 30-minute time frame, we can see that this candle is like an exhausted candle. All right. Do you know the meaning of exhausted candle? If you look at here, this is a type of candle having the exhaustion wick. And for this type of setups, you will execute the trade after breaking the high of the previous candle as an impulse entry, but it is quite much risky at the time as well. So if this break the high of the previous candle, you can take an entry by putting your stop loss just below the current candle. But I'm not comfortable as it broke all the week within a 1 minute, first minute. Having no wicket low means if I measure this range, my stop loss will gonna how much pips? Like 19, 20 pips. And we are expecting 35 pips. Out of 35, you can easily get 15 to 20 pips easily. So it's a high volume time as well, since it's a London Open. Okay, no London Open. So about a 30-minute or less than 30-minute, we'll get a London sessions, London Open sessions, high volume time. At the same time, the market is going to be choppy like this type of ranging market. So we should have to cautious as we have a CPI news. If there is not CPI, I'll definitely execute after breaking the high of the previous candle as an impulse entry. But looking at all the market structures we have, it's like a pretty much a ranging market. So I should have to be cautious at the same time. For that reason, I'm going to look for some sorts of market structures. Okay, so if you look at here, this candle has no wicket. Low means there is a high volume. And if this candle contains a lot of volume, see the flipping candle, there is no business to price come back to its zone. All right. So for that reason also, we should have to be cautious. And I'm thinking that if this volume could not able to sustain, I'm expecting next candle bearish. All right, like this. And the next candle, I'm expecting a bullish candle. If this could happen, then it's called the counter trend setups. So for that, I'm expecting the next candle like this. All right. So if this happen, that will be the favorable trade positions for me. So I'm expecting that. Let's see. This candle contains a lot of volume as it has no wicket low, but at the same time, we should be realistic as well since we have a CPI today, and we need to have a weight as well. Looking at a 30-minute, it's moving up like this, like a rocket. Looking at a 30-minute, it has already moved like this much, which is all about like how many pips? It's a 16 pips move, already moved. 17, 16, 17. Anyway, anyway, so actually we're expecting these market structures. If this candle goes like a bullish candle, we'll expect next candle to be bearish and the next one is the bullish so that we can execute our trade for that region. We're expecting that for the counter trend setups. Otherwise, we should have to be wait at least for a while. So I'm expecting that. So any confusions if you guys have, you can put your chats on live chat sections so that I can read it and trying to help you. So we'll live on each day from today onwards on London, pre-London and London sessions. We'll do one complete 4 hour candles trade. So if you look at here, this is the volatile of this candle spread is quite much weak, like 2, okay, no problem. We're expecting these market structures for the counter trend. Otherwise, is not a good idea to go for a sell at this point. We should have to be very, very cautious as we have a CPI at NYC open. So let me show you my history, trade history. All right. So this week we have took like how many trades? Only 3 trades. Out of 3, we got profit on 2 trades, and the recent one is the last. So let me explain this trade. All right. Let me explain my trade that I took loss today. If you look at here, I took a sell at this point after breaking the low of the previous candle, expecting that the candles will continue to push down, but it could not, just trying to push up. That's why I managed my risk. Instead of losing like a 12 pips, I lose how many pips? 6 pips. It's still managing risk as there is a high volatility today. So it's a better idea to manage my risk. And this trade, okay, I took the at this time. But if you look at here, I got like a 13 pips and closed a little bit earlier. But if you look at here, this candle has no wicket top and there is no meaning to put my stop loss. Where should I put my stop loss? At this point, it's already been like a 53 pips and we have no wick. So it is quite much hard for me to put my stop loss. That's why I secured 13 pips profit. If this candle created some sort of a wick, then there will be my stop loss and I will hold the positions later on out of these how many pips. If I measure this range, it's all about like 121 pips, 121. Out of it, I will get easily 50 pips, isn't it? So that's the things. So I close positions a little bit earlier. And this is the trade that I took like a sale. Yeah, I think this is based on 15 minute. So if you look at here, at this point, what you can see is it has created a support at this point and this is a high volume time, which is a pre-London sessions. So I execute my sale at this point, close everything at this point, because looking at a 30-minute time frame, it's not a good idea to go for a sale. So still manage my risk, getting like a 10 pips and call it a day. So this is all about the trade that we took this week. Altogether, three trades. We made around like 27 pips. That's in, sorry, $27. That's good. By putting 0 0.1, 0 0.15. Okay, no problem. And today we are expecting the candle to print in my directions by creating some sorts of a market structures. If it is able to create these level of market structures, I'll go for 0.2 lot for sure. Anyway, so let's look. I should have to see certain market structures for executions. Then probably, okay, so let's see. This candle is rejecting, and there is a about London open sessions coming up within the 10 minutes. So we are waiting for that. For that, we are waiting for the London Open. Anyway, so it continues to move up, and this 30-minute candle is about to close. It's been like the 8 minutes left to close this 30-minute candle. If this close to our directions, then we'll get a good range. Anyway,